Hello, my name is Alex Wade. I'm project manager for Ford Audio Video, and we are here today at Perot Field at Fort Worth Alliance Airport. Perot Field houses a lot of different aviation clientele. One is, the armed forces do practice here, FedEx, Amazon, various other cargo entities, but also a host of private charters. A lot of pilots will actually come out of their way on their flight paths to stop here because Fort Worth is such a destination. We were able to partner with Mizzen and Draper to come up with a solution that was more cost effective than what was currently in the design for the project. The main video wall as you walk in is a 7x6 Absen A2715 Plus, which is pretty standard Absen panel. Really nice, close pixel pitch, meant for close viewing. There's also a skinny, those are the Absen N3 Plus. They mainly use that for basic flight info, where the wind's coming from, how many knots, what the temperature is, that sort of thing. And then we have two almost niche displays, which are 1x4 and a 1x5, and they're actually set in millwork. One of the niche displays is the Partners display. The other one is the Spirit of Texas. Half of these displays are curved in radius, and the two walls do not share the same radius. So we needed to have a product that would allow us finite adjustments to meet both of the unique millwork locations. So the Draper mounts came with tons of adjustability without perfectly radiused and uniform radius walls to mount to. You're not gonna have a look that the customer is expecting. And so the number of times you get a perfectly uniform radius on a wall is, I've never had a project where that happened. Accuracy from drawings and detail, it's the most important thing. As part of Ford's normal process, we produce shop drawings, and we couldn't really do that without the manufacturer's drawings. Draper was very helpful in getting us what we needed to keep the project moving forward. The Draper product we used was extremely easy to install, gave us the adjustment that we needed. So this project definitely benefited from Draper's innovation in their product line. I've been on job sites where you just can't get this last display to get lined up. If you've done all you can, you go and shim behind it. You add washers and you're there till 6, 7 o'clock at night and you don't know when you're going home. But using products like the custom Draper mounts we did, it's really as simple as adjusting the screws. It's really that simple. So for an install mindset, I would want my guys installing this stuff. Curved walls with a flat display. That's the new design language I've noticed in airports. Displays matching curved surfaces. It brings you into the space and it allows your content and your company message to really grab the attention of whoever is in your space. And this system really, I do believe, does that.